Ooh! He's gonna go down to them? Yeah, 4! It's enough! Oh! Hello people, Seku-Senpai, and here's that time I got reincarnated Slime Season 2. So the past 2 weeks, I have been missing stuff. If you guys didn't see my update video I uploaded this weekend, check that out to see what I was up to, where I was, and all that other stuff. Yeah, anyways, here's that time reincarnated Slime. I'm glad to get back to this, because I know a lot of stuff happened. With the resurrection and Demon Lord stuff. I gotta see how this fight went down with those people. I have to see, I need to see them get their revenge. Over here talking trash and stuff. Nah, you ain't playing around. Killing everybody? Nah. You can see Demon Lord Reveiw. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so those two, I remember those two were doing their thing. They're here to guard them. Yeah, okay, let's go fight. Sickos? Ha! No mercy! Cobra Kai. Yep. We will show no mercy. Reverse Uno. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, don't blame you, man. What they did. Ooh! Man. Get wrecked. Man, into the inferno. All of them. Yep, finish it. Nice. I think he smiles. Man, yo, they thought, ooh, yeah, let them know. Yo, he said rest in hell. Yep. Dang, yo, Gabriel. Yeah, you know, yeah, like I said last time. Yo, ooh, is he about to? Ooh. Man, yo, he says the top. Dang. To the west. Oh yeah, they were looking for that challenge. 3 suck. But I saw like an image somewhere. It was like that dude with the eyes closed, with like a clown on. Yo, I gotta see what's about to happen in relation to that. Yo, shut up! You didn't fight them at full strength, so don't even like act cocky. Yo, that's where the clown was? Yo, you had 4. It's enough. Let's go. Yeah. Ooh, what was that? Okay. Let's go. Kapsa. Yeah, don't let them talk. Actions speak right louder than words. Oh, with that eye contact. Okay. Teamwork. Man. Okay. Yep, now you're all down. Ha! I want them dead. Yo, it's been a while since I've last wanted I've hated a character this much. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, like a pancake. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Okay, not gonna lie, it's kind of cool, but I don't care. That's such a quick temper. Yep, this is it. Let's finish this. Ooh, what? This dude, you thought you were doing something. Did you think he was actually gonna do something? Was laughing like that too? Clown? Oh my gosh. Overestimated. Oh! Oh! He thought he was actually... I think that's kind of cool that his sword regenerates though like that. Takes all motion on me. Really? Oh, what if he's going 600 times that speed then? Oh! My movement should be catching up now, which means the whole time. Yep, you're dead. Oh! Seeing your death in slow motion. Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Berserker, okay. Oh! Okay. He wasn't... Okay. Yo, he's eating it though. He's not even like... Oh man. Against rot. Oh my gosh. Body rotting. Ugh. Oh. You're asking for mercy. Are you about to show him his head? Wow. Really gonna run? Oh, you're... Oh. She doesn't know what's happening? Wow. For real? Wow, these people really were just evil. They even killed their own comrades for their... And they... Wait, they let him do that too? Yeah. I was wondering how she was going to get killed, but... They really are just terrible. Cursed by power. Ooh, he said no need! Okay. Oh, put the sword away too? Okay. Bare hands, okay. Yo, when someone puts down the sword and says, I'll fight you bare hand, after you just got this upgrade? Yo! Toss him like a rag doll. Oh my gosh. Oh, he just keep regenerating. This dude ran away from death only to return to death. How do you... What? Who? Are you kidding me? Ooh. Oh! Yep, he saw that. Yeah, don't let them go. Oh! Saying you have no place to return to. Oh yeah, if they return, they're gonna get... This is gonna die anyways. So, yeah, just let them go. They're gonna get killed anyways. Yeah. I was like, this dude, I didn't trust him at all. Like, I was wondering if he actually was. Killed his soul. Transfer him to him. So they're just using them. Wow. So this dude has been changing bodies and making these other. Wow. Megiddo. Yeah. Birth of a Demon Lord. Let's go. Oh yeah, the anti-magic. Y'all can't do that. So what's the plan? Oh. Wow. Anything protect the king, I guess. Unless he gets hit right now. Yo! That was too funny. Ooh! He's gonna go down to them? He's like, huh. He's like, whatever. Wow! Wasted! He did all that work. Is he really dead though? I wonder. No, after what you did, man, you think you have a chance to negotiate? After what you did? Confirmed. Skill merciless. Yeah, what? Yeah! You should just shut up, man. Merciless is complete. Ooh, meaning. Wow. Yeah. Kill those who don't think they can fight. Oh. Oh. Wow. Wow. That is merciless. Dang. He just looked at them and they're done. All conditions have been met. He's like, guard my body. Or something like. Ooh. Wow. Demons. Okay. Okay, so this is okay. So this is servants? Okay. I like these characters already. They're dressed up nice too. He said, yo, prove yourself. Okay. Yo! Those three are clean. Let's see how this resurrection goes. But he will evolve into a new race, yeah. Whoa. Slime? A demon slime? Okay. Infinite regeneration. Lord, okay. Okay. Dang, he got a bunch of skills with this. So, great sage went to words of the world. Wise one. Failed, okay. A repeating attempt. Okay. 3 times, let's go. Okay, many times until it works. Degenerate. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Successful, okay. Raphael, okay. Raphael of wisdom, okay, interesting. Okay, so he is still alive. Okay. Yeah. Hey! Let's see these guys at work. Let's see what they do. He's gonna take it on. Oh, he's in blue. Yo, having this form just makes you look more like crap, man. The primordial. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so this dude's like top of the chain of the demons, I guess. Higher than archdemon and stuff. Primordial. Yep. He said you're done. I mean, think about it. At least you're not. Yo, he's just passed out. I mean, on the bright side, dude, you're not dying yet. Okay, nice. So nice, the demon look. Yeah. Oh, everyone else got power up too? Oh, snap. Oh, eyes are red now. Okay. That's time for the revival of everyone. Really? There aren't? Oh, please use these. Okay. It's not like they were talking or anything, I guess. I wonder if that has any significance, having those two, both of their souls being brought into there. But that's kind of, I don't know. Oh, okay. Yeah, he can't say that. Yeah, what kind of password is that? Yeah. Yo, first thing she does when she comes back to life, they say that. Oh man, that's funny. Shion's back. But everyone else too. Yep, everyone else too. Yep. So I assume no one left behind. Nice. Yo, he's like. Yo, he says with a smile on his face. Yo, girl, yo, I need your wisdom. Yo, that's the answer to. Yo, this dude set him up. That's messed up. Wow. Oh. Okay. Yep, yeah, bring him in this too. Yep. I'm going down, you're going down too. Oh! Ah! Yeah, yep, the king. It's been 3 days since he's been asleep? Dang. Man, I can't catch a break. What happened? Oh! Yo, that seems kind of ominous. What happened? Oh, Milim attacked. They mentioned that. It's like, yo, I declare war. It's like, what? Okay, so he's preparing for battle. They do seem like they would. They got that same vibe, so. I'm having 3. What happened with their battle? Okay. It's a smiling. Royal beast form. Okay. Ooh, no damage. Oh, she changed a bit too. Okay, so that's what her full form looks like. What? Who are you? Where did she come from? Yo, I like slightly was drifting off, but. Oh man, my mic is so. Is it homie dead? I don't think he's dead. It'd be kind of a letdown. I was kind of hyped to see his character more. He might actually be dead, but. Okay, that's nice. Where was it? Clayman! Again with Clayman. Yeah, that makes sense. She over here just came out of nowhere interrupting the duel. Like, but Shinsu was like so excited. So, yeah, I get you my left hand and stuff. So, yeah, I agree. Yeah. Man. Oh! What would it do to him giving him a name? Yo. Yo, straight Yo. Yo, just go Diablo. Yeah, like what kind of transformation will he go through? Half? Dang. Yeah. 10 times? Dang. Yeah. Dang, that's what I mean. Oh, okay. Outfit changed too. Diablo, okay. Welcome to the squad. The Clayman thing. Duh. That. 3 problems. Oh. Oh, really? Nice. Hey, you can see Veldora? Yo, it's been a while. Yeah. Yeah. Absolute one. So long ago. Yo, he's like, yo, I'm actually attractive. Yo, checking yourself out. Okay. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, yo, this is what he looked like in human form. Nice. Yo, this show just it's so good, man. I just like how everything just comes full circle. You know, it's not like things are mentioned and we go back to them. I just love that. Like the thing with Clayman before was like he was doing things, but then we actually get to see like more of his plans unfolding. The thing with Milim before, now seeing later on how it's come back to her again, especially with that background with the how she became a demon lord and stuff. And now, yeah, now Reveiw is also the demon lord. We have the 3 problems at hand. The Falmouth Kingdom. We're going to do about that, or the aftermath of that, or what he's going to do with that. The church. Hinata, yo, see how that goes. And yeah, and the Clayman problem, which the Clayman problem is something that I feel like he needs to take care of first, at least, because it's related to the Milim issue. So yeah, let's take care of that. Get that out of the way. Yo, it's gonna be next week. This episode next week, right? Or no, there isn't. This is it. Right, it's going for 2 quarters, right? Yeah, this is it for this one. Yeah, and yeah, this is gonna be part 2. Oh yeah, so part 2 comes out during the summer, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, summer. So yeah, part 2. This ends part 1, ending it on a good note. Ending it from where we started back in episode 1, where Reveiw and then the Odor had made that deal, and then now we're seeing the result of that. So, man, that's nice. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Hope you all enjoyed. My battery's about to die, so I'll see y'all next week for another episode. Oh no, you guys won't see me next week. You see me during the summer when we return to this. Man, a lot of shows are returning back for the summer. What's up with this season? This is returning for the summer. I know Higurashi's also returning for the summer. Jobless Reincarnation, Mushoku Tensei, that's returning for the summer for part 2 or second core or whatever. I wonder if there's anything else, but yeah, summer's about to be nice with some more sequels. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Again, I'll see y'all later, or for the summer for this. I have a video up later on for the last episode of Wonder Egg Priority. That show's getting really good. And yeah, should have some other shows this week of me catching up to some shows I missed and all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching, joining me on this journey of the time I got reincarnated slime, and yeah, that's all I have to say. Thanks for watching. Peace.